Developing tonight, a major warning coming from the State Department of Health.
Tonight, doctors are confirming a measles outbreak right here in the state of Ohio, and cases are growing by the day.
Nick Veland following the very latest on this tonight. Nick, doctors are very concerned.
Yeah, that's right, Jessica. They are very worried, and for a good reason. Since state leaders announced the first case in the state last week, the numbers have been growing. In light of the massive outbreak they're dealing with in the state of Texas, doctors here are working to stop the spread, and step one in that process, they say, is getting vaccinated. A concerning announcement coming from the Ohio Department of Health Wednesday. Measles cases creeping up here in the state of Ohio. State Health Director Bruce Vanderhoff reporting 10 cases in Ashtabula County. Also saying people were exposed to the virus in Knox and nearby counties. Dr. Vanderhoff just spoke about the dangers of the measles last week.
One of the particular dangers of measles as an illness is that it is so highly contagious. You can get measles literally by just being in a room where a person with measles has been recently. This can happen even up to 2 hours after the person has left.
Measles cases are on the rise nationwide. West Texas dealing with an outbreak impacting more than 300 people. New Mexico, Oklahoma also dealing with rising numbers. Doctors report in most cases across the country, those who got it were not vaccinated against the virus. The same goes for the cases here in Ohio. Health experts are urging parents to ensure their children are properly vaccinated. The CDC recommends all kids to get 2 doses of the MMR vaccine, starting with the first dose at 12 through 15 months old, the second dose at 4 through 6 years old. Dr. Matthew Washam with Nationwide Children's Hospital providing insight on what parents can expect if their children were to fall ill.
Associated with a very high fevers, can be 103, 104, 105. Preceding the characteristic rash, it's not uncommon for families to seek medical attention multiple times because of respiratory distress, because of dehydration, because of concerns of the high fevers.
And this is not the first time the state has dealt with an outbreak of the measles. Back in 2022, the state had 90 confirmed cases of the virus. 85 of those cases were right here in central Ohio. The last few years have certainly not been as rough. In 2023, there was only 1 case. Last year, there were 7 confirmed cases of the measles. We will continue to follow the latest numbers and we'll keep you updated on any changes. On your side, Nick Veland, ABC 6 News.